Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on how to install a low beam headlight in a 2019 Grand Cherokee. And as far as I know, this is the best way to do it on your own or take it to the dealership. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy because it wasn't easy. It was actually really difficult. But I didn't have to take that many things apart, which depending on which headlight you're out, the passenger side or the driver's side, is you want to go under the wheel well, and there is a cap. You're going to want to unscrew that cap. You can turn it left or right, I believe, and then it just pops out. So that's the first step. And then the second step would be to open your hood. And if you're on the passenger side, it'll be a little bit different. If you're on the driver's side, you're going to want to remove the air box. There's not that many components to it. A couple pieces snap off. You can unscrew the main hose going to it, and then unscrew the bigger hose, and those will just stay in place. So once you have those taken apart, next thing you're going to want to do is reach your hand up in the tire well, and there's going to be a rubber casing that's circular around the headlamp area. What you want to do is slide that off. It takes a little bit of force and it's a weird angle, so don't get frustrated, but take your time, slide that off. It'll just come right off, and then you have access to the headlamp. So once you have access to the headlamp, put your hand up there, shine a light in there if you can, feel around until you feel the back of the headlamp. You'll notice that it is connected to, it's plugged in to a snap-in plug that you'll have to undo at some point. And then it's also screwed in a quarter turn, which is really small. So first thing you're going to want to do, and this is the hard part because I have big hands, some people have smaller hands. If you have smaller hands, it's probably a lot easier. If you have gloves to wear too, they're like skin-tight gloves that might protect your hands, I would recommend that. But if you don't, it's fine. So light in whatever angle that you can, quarter turn downwards toward the ground. If you do it right, it should pop. You should hear it. It should then become loose, and you should be able to slide it right out at that point. From there, you can shine your light. You can pop the snap off, headlight out. So just as easy as it came off, get your new headlight. First thing, attach it to the wire. Snap the piece on, and then the tricky part is getting the tip of the headlight into the small circular component that it came in. So you're going to want to start the headlight in the same position that it popped out of. So once you do that, you pop it out, or you put it back in, give it a quarter turn up, and it will snap into position. From there, you just will once you get it there and it's snug, go in the vehicle, turn the lights on, make sure that it's working. That's the first thing. You don't want to put the stuff back if it's not working. So do that, make sure it's working. If it's working, you're good to go. Snap the rubber piece back on, make sure that's snug, then attach the cap under the wheel well, and take the air box off, assemble the air box, and you are good to go.